Hello my friends, I want to ask you something. What would you do with $5,000 today? Well, I have great news for you. If you need fast money, you've come to the right place. Here at Cash Advance Loans, you can get $1,000 to $5,000 or more faster, secured, and even with bad credit. We know that we all go through situations where we need a little help in life. And in this case, a personal loan that will get you out of that problem you're in right now. And maybe you don't need money to get out of a situation, but you've probably worked so hard and have been thinking about some really nice vacations you haven't taken in a while, and this is your opportunity. Or let me ask you, what would you do with $5,000 today? Now, I know that some people might say you should pay everything in cash. Ideally, it would be a very nice thing if we were able to pay everything with cash. But unfortunately, we live in a system where everything is getting more expensive, where the bills are piling up, and on top of that, we are constantly receiving news that one of our relatives is sick and we need to pay hospital bills, or the car broke down, we have to go to work and we don't have money to fix it, or the AC broke and our kids are suffering with the extreme temperatures, or we are simply going through hardship and we need a little help to relieve our burden. Well, now you can borrow up to $5,000 or more, and the money will be deposited in your bank account faster than any other financial institution. Most importantly, without too much hassle, and even with no credit. Yes, you heard that right. Get up to $5,000 or more with low credit or no credit, because these loans are designed for all people. Do you have a couple of seconds? Check right now and see if you qualify and don't get your financial troubles consume you. Can you imagine $5,000 in your bank account today? Now, very important, you do not have to get this loan right now if you don't want to, but it would be a very good idea to see if you qualify for the loan, just in case you need it tomorrow. You won't let me lie. You know how difficult it has been to survive nowadays, to the point to where all of us have had to get these types of loans. That reminds me of my horrible situation I went through in 2007. The recession started hitting hard, thousands of jobs were lost, my wife was pregnant, and we were going through our most horrible financial crisis in our house. And if it wasn't for these types of loans, we would have lost the house, we would have lost the car, and it would have been catastrophic. But even though I had to go back to work and repay the loan, this kind of loans saved us from losing everything. My friend Jose also had a very similar situation, to where his mom, who was in Mexico, ended up in the hospital and needed $3,000 urgently. My friend applied for one of these loans and the very next day was able to send money for his mother treatment. Would you like to know if you qualify? You're just one click away from knowing if you can receive $1,000, $5,000 or more in your bank account in no time, from a trusted, certified, and most importantly, a hassle-free lending institution. And I know you have a lot of questions, but don't worry, after you review the information form, the system will connect you with the nearest representative to whom you will ask all the questions you need answered for. So if you want to be part of the millions of people that are benefiting from these loans, don't hesitate. Get up to $5,000 or more deposited into your bank account in a few hours by just answering a couple of super quick questions. Thank you, my friend, for watching. Remember that I will continue to bring you more companies we can trust and that can serve us with 100% transparency. Apply now, because I have to show this video to 200 million Americans and the algorithm might not show this video to you again. Thank you so much and see you until the next video.